You mean you're coming up? The wild child makes his way back up the ridge. I wonder what goes through the mind.
Rock climbing.
You're wall climbing?
Rock.
Rock? That's a stick. And it's a dead stick. It could fall out.
With my hand.
Hmm?
Cairo. Cairo.
He's in his own world. Cairo. Oh my gosh. Watch your step. You're a wild kid, man. I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Where are you going? All right, we gotta leave. Don't get entangled in the tree again. Kyra, I know you found a sanctuary, but your sister pooped her pants. So we gotta go. It's starting to attract wildlife. No, Kenji, don't go. Stay. Stay with me. I love you. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me.
I climbed this.
You did?
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Don't worry about it. She needs to get changed. Don't rely on this one stick. You're gonna have to get your hands dirty in the rock.
Ow.
Oh my god, I'm not gonna wait to have him though.
One shoe
You're
came off.
stuck.
Oh my
You're
god.
stuck on the other side of the root.
One shoe came off.
Yeah.